So today we will customize. These are new Chinese caps, but you say, I already have a cap branded with Canon or Nikon or Fuji. I won't talk for a long time. But if you shoot a video, not a photo, then you need such a filter that puts on the lens and regulates the incoming light. For example, on a bright sunny day, it does like this. It was designed by smart guys in US. It is not cheap, so you have one and you have such adapter rings for your lenses. It is screwed on every lens, and as a result, every lens has it. Here is such an adapter ring, but now there is nothing to close it with. And this is where the Chinese 77mm cap comes to the spot, which closes all the lenses and looks the same. So you open the bag like that and you don't understand which lens and which one you need to take, but they are all different. They show a different picture. They are needed for different things, and in order to quickly snatch them out of the backpack, you need to understand where which, but covers are all the same. Usually you can write a number with a simple permanent marker, the number that indicates the focal length. But this is not very interesting for me, and I will paint all these caps. They immediately reminded me of some kind of faces, and I will also draw faces on them. Immediately a nuance. If you draw with light colors, you will need to put several layers at once, because black is translucent, and most likely beforehand, this whole thing had to be sanded with fine sandpaper, but at least the surface is porous and the marker clings well. I suspect that over time this whole thing will peel off, but we'll see. Looking ahead, the lenses have already gone through several shootings and all caps survived. Second cap will be green. Here too, you need to make several layers. It does not behave like white, but you also need to put several layers. My main markers are 5mm in size, and this is a bit too much, since the cap's not narrow and you can touch a little somewhere. But in general, I painted over the main color with them, and I do some detailing of the contours with thinner markers. That's when you draw with a thin marker and a thin liner. The contours of the drawing immediately become clearer and prettier. Not bad because, well, the cap is not very comfort to draw. Frankly, I did not think that everything would go well. And when you use the black outline, everything appears and becomes into place. I am generally pleased with the result. Therefore, the zombie left to finish his eyebrows so that everything looks finalized. Details of the eyes of the teeth, and you can go filming. And of course, on each cap, so that it does not lose functionality. I make numbers that show me the focal length of the lens that I will work with, so I can see which one I need to take without opening it right away. And the magical transformation from dirt to the gold. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, and see you in the next video. Bye.